How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through some trades I took today on SPY and some trades I took on the futures today, ES. Kind of give you the strategy I've been using, walk you through my execution, give you my thought process for the trades. But before we get started, as always, be sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. As you can see here, I have SPY and ES pulled up, okay? I like to watch both of these while I'm trading either of these, okay? It has worked out really well for me. I want to start with a trade I took pre-market, one I personally took. Then I want to talk about one I called out live on Instagram Live. I do live futures trading of the morning. You're all welcome to join. Then I want to talk about a SPY trade I called out inside Team Bull Discord. Everyone in there was asking for a recap on that, so I'm going to give it to you all. First, I want to talk about this reject I took on ES pre-market. It was at 7:30. I went short here at prior day close on SPY. I was trading ES. I went short because prior day close, this indicator tells me the price, the stock, or in this case, ETF closed out the day before. This is an important level. They chose this level for a reason. And also, if you look over here on the 5-minute, it's a 5-minute trend line. It's right at that 4,080 area, which has acted as a support and resistance in the past, a nice area of confluence. I did not see a huge increase in volume at that level. Looked really good for a reject. I traded this lightly, and let me tell you how I handled this trade. First 2-point move down, I trimmed off. Honestly, I left one running now that I'm thinking about it. I left one running short. I adjusted my stop loss in the profit. That way, if it come back up, I would sell in profit. I wasn't giving back any of my money, and I was still making some. And the next sell was another point down. It worked out really well. As you can see here, if I'd held too long, I would have been selling right at break even or, in the red. That's why it's super important to adjust your stop loss after that first trim, because you do not want to make it a habit to give back profits. Now, fast forward to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. This was due to non-farm payroll data coming out. As you can see, a huge move down. I did not expect this big of a move, and I do not have positions open when data is coming out. I like to play it after. So what I did here, I seen the huge move down, huge sell-off. I quickly identified this whole psychological number, which has acted as a big support or resistance in the past. Also, I really liked how close we was to this 4,000, this whole psychological number on ES. I chose to enter off this 400. Told everyone in my live, I said, I'm going long on ES, that's 400 area on SPY. We got in, literally bought the bottom of this candle on ES. My last sell was at 4,020. That's a huge profit in the futures trading world. If you're not familiar with the way it moves, I highly recommend you look into futures trading. Yes, I paper-handed. As you can see here, the high since this dip was right at this 4,058 area, 59 area. I should have left runners. I should have set my stop loss down here around my break even, but I didn't. And I had a really nice morning trading. It's hindsight. Just got to document your trades, figure out how you could have done better, and just move on. You can't have FOMO. It's okay. We made great money today. Now, let me talk about an options trade that we took on SPY inside Team Bull. I called this out live over voice, very clear. I called out my position. I said I'm entering SPY puts right here at 403.5. I said if we push up to 4,050 on ES, I would add to the SPY put position, which I didn't get to add to it because we didn't quite reach that. We played this move down nice. We trimmed on the way down, locked in profits, adjusted our stop loss. Final sell was down here below 403 area. Very happy with my execution on this trade. A lot of members made money from this. I've seen it in the post your gains section. Now, people ask me, what are you trading futures on? How do you fund these accounts? It's super expensive to trade futures. I use funded accounts. It's really simple to figure out. I'll leave a link in the description. Go look at it. Watch their videos. It's easy to set up, get going. Their evaluation account is simple. It's called Apex Trader Funding. Use my code. You get, so much off. that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.